Hey guys, welcome back to Sipping with Suze. Today we are making an amazing grapefruit spritz. We like to call it our Green Owl Glow. It just has all of that really amazing, refreshing citrus taste with our grapefruit, a little bit of lime, and obviously our Green Owl green tea vodka. So we're gonna start with putting 1.5 ounces vodka into our shaker. That's 1.5 ounces. Next, we are going to put some fresh grapefruit juice in. I like to squeeze my own. Obviously not necessary, but it's going to be about 2 ounces of our grapefruit juice. We are going to put 2 ounces. Just make sure of it. There we go. Can even put a little extra in. Why not? And now we're going to put half a lime in. Just going to give it that extra citrus boost. Half an ounce here. Excellent. Now, because we have all that citrus in there, I'm just going to use a little bit of agave syrup. About a quarter to a half ounce of agave. Want to balance it off. Now we're going to shake this up, make it really cold. Woo! She's toasty, she's fresh, she's ready to go. We're gonna put a little ice in our glass. I'm using a rocks glass. You can use whatever glass you want though for this. And we're just gonna strain it in. We're using the strainer because you might have seeds from the grapefruit or the lime and you wanna just strain those out, really nice. Next and final step before our garnish is just adding a little bit of soda water. Give that nice little extra bubbly feel. It's gonna be super delicious. And now, just to add our garnish, I'm gonna use a fresh grapefruit slices. It's gonna look beautiful. Ugh, stunning. Cheers, guys. Enjoy.